Forget the gurus promising you $1 million by next Tuesday. Forget the complicated funnels and the high-risk investments that drain your bank account before you ever see a dime. The internet is saturated with noise, with get-rich-quick schemes that prey on our desire for a better, more flexible life. But what if the path to a meaningful online income wasn't a giant, risky leap, but a series of small, deliberate steps? What if you could build a reliable $100 a day income stream, not through some mythical secret, but through practical, proven methods you can start implementing right now, today? The truth is, sustainable online success is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about building a foundation, brick by brick. It's about consistency over intensity. So let's cut through the hype. We're going to focus on what actually works. I'm going to walk you through 3 simple, powerful plays. Each one can generate income on its own, but when you combine them, they create a powerful synergy that can propel you towards that $100 a day goal and beyond. These aren't theories. They are actionable strategies for 2026 and the years to come. Are you ready to build something real? Let's begin. Our first play, the foundational layer of our income strategy, is all about quick wins. We call it micro jobs. Now don't let the word micro fool you. These aren't about earning pennies. We're talking about small, manageable, one-off tasks that clients need done quickly. Think things like proofreading a blog post, transcribing a short audio file, performing data entry, creating simple graphics, or writing a product description. These tasks are everywhere, posted daily on trusted freelance platforms. Your first action is to sign up for trusted platforms. Create a compelling profile on sites like Upwork, Fiverr, or even specialized platforms for smaller tasks, like Amazon, Mechanical Turk. The key is to present yourself professionally, highlight your skills, even if you think they're basic. Reliability and clear communication are often more valuable to clients than a long list of credentials. Now here's where we introduce our secret weapon, AI-assisted execution. The game has changed. You no longer need to be a world-class expert to deliver high-quality work. For writing or editing gigs, use AI tools to generate drafts, check for grammar, and refine the tone. You're not just copying and pasting, you're the director, guiding the AI to produce the final product. For design tasks, leverage AI-powered tools like Canva. You can use its Magic Studio to generate templates, suggest color palettes, and create professional-looking graphics in minutes, not hours. This isn't cheating, it's leveraging technology to become incredibly efficient. The strategy here is volume and velocity. You're not looking for one big $500 project. Instead, you stack quick $5, $10, and $20 tasks. By using AI to accelerate your workflow, a task that might have taken an hour can now be done in 15 minutes. Suddenly, completing 5 or 6 of these small jobs in a single afternoon becomes entirely feasible. This is how you turn small change into a significant daily income. You're building momentum and, just as importantly, a portfolio of positive reviews that will attract bigger and better jobs down the line. This first play is your cash flow engine. It puts money in your pocket today, providing the capital and the confidence to move on to our next play. Alright, you've got your micro job engine running, bringing in consistent cash. Now it's time to add a layer of semi-passive income. Welcome to play number 2, the affiliate digital flip. Forget traditional affiliate marketing where you just spam links everywhere. The digital flip is a more focused approach. It means finding high-quality, niche digital products, think ebooks, online courses, software tools, or design templates, and promoting them to a highly targeted audience. You're not creating the product, you're the expert curator, connecting a great solution to the right person. The key is to find a niche you understand or are passionate about. It could be anything from sustainable living to coding for beginners to dog training. Authenticity sells. Your mission is to find products with a solid reputation and a generous commission structure. Look for products that solve a specific painful problem for your chosen audience. Once you're approved as an affiliate, you'll get a unique link. Every time someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. This is where the passive potential comes in. A single piece of content can continue earning for you for weeks, months, or even years. So how do you promote it? We focus on 2 low-effort, high-impact methods. First, targeted micro ads. Use a small portion of the money you earn from your micro jobs, say $5 a day, to run highly focused ads on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or Pinterest. You can target users based on their specific interests, ensuring your ad for a keto meal plan ebook is only seen by people interested in the keto diet. Second, and even more powerfully, create simple, short-form videos. You don't need a fancy studio. Use your smartphone to create a 30-second video reviewing the product, sharing a key tip from the ebook, or demonstrating the software. These short videos are incredibly powerful for building trust and driving clicks. You pocket the commissions, and the beauty is in the scalability. Once you find a winning combination of a product and a promotional video, you can reinvest your earnings to scale up your ads or create more content. You're building a small army of digital assets that work for you around the clock. This is how you start making money while you sleep. So, let's recap. Play 1, micro jobs, is generating your active income. Play 2, the affiliate digital flip, is building your semi-passive income stream. Now it's time to build your brand and your long-term wealth. This brings us to play number 3, create and repurpose content. This is the ultimate leverage play. The goal here is to work smart, not hard, by creating one central high-value piece of content and then atomizing it across multiple platforms. This pillar piece could be a 10-minute YouTube video, a detailed blog post, or a podcast episode. Choose the format you're most comfortable with. The topic should be something you know well, ideally related to the niche you chose for your affiliate marketing. For example, if you're promoting a gardening ebook, your pillar content could be 10 common mistakes beginner gardeners make. Once you've created your long-form piece, the real magic begins. You slice it into shorts. That 10-minute video has at least 5 to 10 powerful 30-second clips perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Each clip can highlight a single mistake from your main video. Then, you slice it into posts. Pull out key quotes, statistics, or tips, and turn them into text-based posts for X, Threads, or LinkedIn. Create quote cards or carousels for Instagram. You can even transcribe the audio and turn it into a blog post. From one single effort, you've just created a week's worth of content for all your social platforms. This content ecosystem creates multiple streams of monetization. As your channels grow, you can monetize with ads. YouTube ad revenue, for example, can become a significant income source. You can also monetize with tips and direct support from your audience through features like YouTube Super Thanks, TikTok Gifts, or by setting up a page on Patreon or Ko-Fi. Your content becomes a magnet, attracting an audience that you can then serve with your affiliate offers, your own future products, and more. This is how you build a sustainable, long-term brand and asset. Now let's put it all together. This isn't about choosing one of these 3 plays. It's about combining all 3 into a cohesive system. You start with micro jobs to generate immediate cash flow. You then reinvest a portion of those earnings into running micro ads for your chosen affiliate products. The content you create for Play 3, the short videos, the posts, serves as the organic promotion for those same affiliate links. Your content builds an audience, which increases your affiliate sales. The affiliate income, then, allows you to reduce your reliance on micro jobs and invest in better equipment or more advanced automation tools for your content creation. See how it works? Each play feeds and strengthens the others, creating a virtuous cycle of growth. You automate where you can, using scheduling tools for your social posts and refining your ad campaigns so they run efficiently in the background. This is the path. There is no magic button. There are no overnight riches. It's just consistent, intelligent work. It's about stacking small wins. A $20 writing gig here, a $35 commission there, a few dollars from ad revenue, until they reliably add up to $100 a day. This system is designed to be resilient, diversified, and most importantly, achievable. You have the blueprint. The tools are at your fingertips. The only missing ingredient is your action. Start with Play 1 today. Sign up for a platform, find one small task, and earn your first dollar online. That's your first win. Then, build from there. The journey to 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and your journey to a sustainable online income starts right now.